Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get TikTok back after deleting the app in USA. In this video, what we will do actually is simply try to use a third-party website in order to install the application. So what you should do is to simply go and open your browser. Then here you should search here for www.pluginchat.com. Then you should click on the first option that you will get. And here you will find here this option. You just have to choose TikTok application, then click on start installation, and after that the process of installation will start. And this is just like downloading TikTok but from the PC, but here in our case it is much more simpler. And after that it will ask you for simple tasks that you have to do in order to finish the installation process. After you do the tasks, you will be able to have the application on your phone. And you need to know that the task is very simple. They will ask you to download a specific application or even fill in a specific survey. So actually it's very easy and simple. You just have to do it to have the application fully installed on your phone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.